Replacing the Lexus OEM radio with an aftermarket one is one of the worst things that you can do to your Lexus. The Lexus Factory Radio is very difficult and expensive to replace due to its integrated design with the climate control and GPS system. If you're looking for the easiest way to add your iPhone music to your Lexus ES300 or ES350, I have a suggestion for you. This gadget will allow you to connect your new iPhone to your mid-2000 car factory radio without aux or Bluetooth. You simply connect my device to your iPhone like this. That's all you have to do. Then you will be able to stream and play all your iPhone music right through your OEM factory system without aux or Bluetooth. You do not need to upgrade your head unit. Simply connect my gadget to your iPhone and you will be able to play Pandora, iHeartRadio, Spotify, audiobooks, YouTube music, even news and NPR right from your phone, right through your mid-2000 car radio without Bluetooth or an aux. Simply connect my device to your phone and you'll be able to listen to all your sound and music from your iPhone right through your car radio loud and clear without static or any humming noise. And you'll be happy with your music, podcast, news, anything you want to listen to.
I found this product by Gizmo Guy, CD quality sound from your cell phone to your world-class audio system on the cool car you bought. Let's see how it works. You plug it into your phone. This is an iPhone, and you just start playing your music. Open your music. So definitely recommend the Gizmo Guy.
So click on the link below and try my gadget out. I guarantee this will be the best gadget that you get this year. Thank you. Bye-bye.